Hi friends, good morning. Next video from our series from Dhruva Edutainment and Vidu classes. That is very short question VSQ video number 23. This is from friends second year zoology, that is circulatory system. Simple question friends. What is that question friends? Name the valves that guard the left and right atrioventricular apertures in man. Friends, name the valves. You have to write about the names of the valves which are present in between left and right atrioventricular apertures. Friends, you know, human heart has 4 chambers. Upper 2 chambers are atria, lower 2 chambers are ventricles. Right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle and left ventricle. In between right ventricle and in between right atrium and right ventricle there is an aperture. In between left atrium and left ventricle there is an aperture. These apertures are guarded by some valves. You have to write the names of those valves, friends. Okay, friends? Now come to see the image of the heart, friends. See here, friends. Here this is 4-chambered heart. This is right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. In between right atrium, right ventricle, there is a valve which is called as a tricuspid valve, friends. Tricuspid valve. The valve which is present between right atrium and right ventricle is called as tricuspid valve. And the valve which is present between left atrium and left ventricle is called as bicuspid valve or mitral valve. Friends, right atrium, between right atrium and right ventricle, we have tricuspid valve. Between left atrium and left ventricle, we have bicuspid valve. Or at the aperture of right atrium and right ventricle, tricuspid valve. At the aperture of left atrium and left ventricle, we have bicuspid valve or mitral valve. Friends, ఒకసారి తెలుగులోకి వద్దాం ఫ్రెండ్స్. మన హృదయంలో 4 గదులు ఉంటాయి ఫ్రెండ్స్. పై 2 గదులను మనం ఏట్రియాల కర్ణికలు అంటాం, క్రింది 2 గదులను జఠరికలు అంటాం ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెంట్రికల్స్ అంటాం. సో ఇవి కుడి వైపున 2, ఎడమ వైపున 2 ఉంటాయి ఫ్రెండ్స్. కుడి వైపున ఉన్నవి ఏంటి ఫ్రెండ్స్? కుడి కర్ణిక, కుడి జఠరిక. ఈ కుడి కర్ణికకు కుడి జఠరికకు మధ్య ఒక రంధ్రం ఉంటుంది. ఆ రంధ్రం దగ్గర ఒక కవాటం ఉంటుంది. ఆ కవాటం పేరు త్రిపత్ర కవాటము లేదా ట్రైకస్పిడ్ వాల్వ్. So the valve which is present at the aperture of right atrium and right ventricle is what friends? Tricuspid valve. అదేవిధంగా ఎడమ కర్ణికకు ఎడమ జఠరికకు మధ్య గల రంధ్రం వద్ద గల కవాటం ఏంటి ఫ్రెండ్స్? ద్విపత్ర కవాటము లేదా మిట్రల్ కవాటము. See friends, here you have see right atrium and right ventricle. This is tricuspid. Left atrium and left ventricle, this is mitral valve, or you may call it as bicuspid valve. Bicuspid valve కి ఇంకో పేరు మిట్రల్ కవాటము. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్. నౌ యూ సీ వన్ మోర్ ఇమేజ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. హియర్ సీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ హౌ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఇట్ ఈస్. సీ ఫ్రెండ్స్, దిస్ ఈస్ right atrium and right ventricle. In between these two there is what friends? This is tricuspid valve. This is left atrium and left ventricle. Here we have what friends? This one friends, bicuspid valve or mitral valve. Okay friends, now come to actual our answer friends. See, name the valves that guard the left and right atrioventricular apertures in man. These are the valves present between atria and ventricles of the heart. ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాయి ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఈ వాల్వ్స్? ఏట్రియాకు వెంట్రికల్స్ మధ్యలో ఉన్నాయి ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ bicuspid valve or mitral valve. You have to write friends. Bicuspid valve or mitral valve. Second one is tricuspid valve. See friends, left atrioventricular aperture is guarded by bicuspid valve. Left atrioventricular aperture is guarded by bicuspid valve. Friends, here important, it is also called mitral valve. What is the another name of the bicuspid valve, friends? Mitral valve. Mitral valve. Second, friends, right atrioventricular aperture is guarded by tricuspid valve. Right atrioventricular aperture is guarded by tricuspid valve. So what is these two valves together called as what, friends? Atrioventricular valves. Friends, tricuspid valve and bicuspid valve, these two together called as atrioventricular valves because they are present in between atria and ventricles. Okay, what is the role of these valves? These tricuspid valve and bicuspid valve allow the flow of blood from atria to ventricles only. They won't allow in reverse direction. They won't allow in backward flow. Means they won't allow the flow of blood from ventricles to atria. Okay, friends. Here you have to remember two words, friends. One is tricuspid valve, another one is bicuspid valve. Tricuspid, bicuspid, friends. Tricuspid, bicuspid. Okay, friends. Thank you. Good day. Once again, you see the image, friends. See it, friends. Okay, friends. Now you see this image. Right atrium, right ventricle, tricuspid valve. Left atrium, left ventricle, mitral valve, or you may call it as bicuspid valve. Okay, friends. Thank you. Good day, friends.